Hello, good day and welcome. Today I will be answering NECO 2019 Office Practice Past Question 29. In a big firm, correspondence are handled by special staff known as A. Dispatch officer, B. Mail clerks, C. Mail keepers, D. Parcel recorders, and E. Record keepers. Now, in a big firm, correspondence are handled by special staff known as, that's the question. Now, what are correspondence? Or what's a correspondence? Now, correspondence is any written communication. Any written communication. Any written communication like reports, circulars, letters, memoranda, etc. and so on. Now, the question says correspondence are handled by special staff known as. Now, for us to pick our answer, let's look at what the uses or the function of each of the following staffs. Now, dispatch officer, which is A, says they are responsible for bringing necessary assistance or material to people in need. They're responsible for bringing necessary materials or assistance. Then B says what? Mail clerks. Now, mail clerks are responsible for the handling of letters and packages. Letters and packages. They're responsible for the handling of letters and packages. That is, they're responsible for handling what? Correspondence. Now, this is parcel recorders. Now, these parcel recorders are responsible for what? Recording. They record what? Parcel received or sent in an organization. And E is record keepers. These ones are concerned with what? With the provision of secure record storage. Secure record storage or documents management. That is their job. Document management. Now, the question says correspondence are handled by special staff known as B. Mail clerks. Mail clerks are responsible for the words for the handling. That the ones that are concerned with the handling of letters, memorandas, packages, any form of communication, that is correspondence in an organization, in any big firm, is actually handled by the mail clerks, and that is option B. Thank you and God bless you, and sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.